The tool I recommend that you start exploring with when it comes to SMS and WhatsApp is Bravo. Over the past 5 years, we've been using Bravo not only for Facebook campaigns, but for all our clients' email marketing needs. Frankly, I didn't realize that SMS and WhatsApp are features within Bravo, and when I discovered that, I was over the moon. Because now I can manage all my contacts, my campaigns in one place, and their user interface is really straightforward. Their deliverability is stellar, so it gives me more reason to really leverage SMS and WhatsApp directly from within the same platform. But why do you want to layer SMS and WhatsApp in your marketing effort? Number one is speed. Your text message will appear instantly, even in locked screens. Two, it's complement and not cannibalize. With SMS, you can set follow-up messages and very timely notifications. So imagine you send regular emails for your monthly newsletters, but when it comes to webinar events and meetings, SMS will have a much higher reach and higher open rate in a very short period of time. Number three is global reach. Combining WhatsApp, for example, allows you to reach a global audience. And on top of that, rich media as well, because with WhatsApp, for example, instead of sending straightforward text messages, it allows you to send rich media like images, videos, GIFs, and even including buttons. 4, no spam folder. With email deliverability, a lot of them unfortunately end up either in the spam folder or under the newsletter tab if you're using Gmail. But with text messages, they kind of have nowhere to hide. People can access them much more easily. Next, I want to talk about how you actually get started setting up SMS and WhatsApp inside Bravo. Before we wrap, I want you to really watch till the end because setting up your SMS, it's a bit different than sending emails. There are things you have to watch out for, and luckily, Bravo has provided a lot of guidelines and posts related to this topic. Unlike a subscription, if and when you're ready to send SMS and WhatsApp messages, Bravo allows you to purchase credits. They're quite affordable. Depending on the recipient's countries, you purchase these credits as opposed to opting in another monthly subscription. So pay as you go is what I prefer. The steps are simple. You confirm your sender ID, construct a message that's for SMS that's 160 characters or less. Bravo allows you to preview on mobile before you send it out. Before you send out your first SMS and WhatsApp message, I highly recommend that you read the guide provided by Bravo. It's all about SMS deliverability. In order to send SMS, for example, in US and Canada, you're required to have a toll-free number. For example, depending on who you work with to get the toll-free number, that third party may require up to 4 to 6 weeks to approve and confirm the toll-free number, which is required before you can send your first SMS. If you are someone in charge of your company's SMS and WhatsApp strategy, make sure you get started for the campaign early. The good news is, once your toll-free number is approved and ready to go, that notification is visible and available through Bravo. Here are some strategic tips. Focus on cadence for SMS and WhatsApp. Remember that you want to treat it like espresso shots and not drip coffee. No more than 4 to 6 a month, unless it's operational or transactional text. Personalization matters. In this case, you can address to the first person like Faye or Michael. Here's an update for you. So you know that you can acknowledge the person and make it relevant and personal. There's also an opportunity for you to bridge text message content to something else you've written on your website, in other formats of your newsletter, so people can read more in a browser or on a different platform. So I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also check out the video description below where I've included a lot of resources mentioned during the video. If you like this one, I hope you check out this one right here. I hope YouTube is right, and I'm going to see you next time.